Hi, I'm Sharon. As a working mom, I'm always looking for quick, healthy lunches that keep me full and energized. And today, I've got the perfect one for you. This 15-minute beef bowl keeps you full and tastes better than takeout, juicy and flavorful. You won't believe it's healthy. Take 500 grams of lean beef strips. And toss them with half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix well. Heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a non-stick pan. Then sear the beef in batches on high heat. Just 1 to 2 minutes per side until beautifully brown. Next, prep your veggies. Cut 1 cup of broccoli into florets. Slice 1 bell pepper. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. And chop 1 onion. In a bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, juice of half a lemon, a sprinkle of chili flakes, and half a tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix it well and set aside your glossy sauce. Like what you see? Subscribe now. In the same pan, add a little oil if needed. Saute the garlic until it softens, and onion until lightly golden and aromatic. Then add the broccoli and bell pepper and give it a quick toss. Pour in the prepared sauce. Simmer for a minute. Return seared beef to the pan. Toss everything together for that sticky, spicy finish. Garnish with freshly chopped spring onions. Now it's time to dig in. Juicy, glossy, firecracker beef, bursting with flavor in every bite.
If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. Great, now that you're part of the Light Kitchen family, let's get cooking.